Want to know how you can remove your Instagram account from other devices or log your Instagram account from other devices that your account is logged in on? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ben Besnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove your Instagram account from other devices or log out your Insta account from other devices. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once here you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on settings and privacy. Once on settings and privacy, you'll find the very first option now after the latest update, so make sure your app is updated to the latest version. You can see account center option, simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get various options, right? You want to select the first option under account settings, that is password and security. Under password and security, you can see the option security checks, and below you can see where you are logged in option. So you want to simply tap on where you are logged in, and now it'll ask you to choose your account. You want to simply choose the account. Once you choose the account here, you'll be able to see every single device your account is logged in on. So in order to log it out, you want to scroll all the way down below, and then you'll find the option that says select devices to log out at the bottom left corner of the screen. Simply tap on it and then tap on select all option that you can see at the right hand side of the screen, and then simply tap on log out, and your account will be logged out from every single devices. So this way you can remove your Instagram account from other devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.